You're watching the Business Channel, creating business class programmes.
Facilities management play a very important role within UK manufacturing. There is obviously a lot of expertise, individuals and companies that actually offer solutions around their requirements. This could be from training, this could be to technology and research and development. Them areas are very, very important for the UK manufacturing in order for them to provide their product efficiently. I have seen a revival in the manufacturing, especially within the UK. If you drive down the M1, you'll see all the new industrial plant that's been developed. 9 times out of 10, that's developed with a green supply. So that will obviously reduce emissions, reduce downtime, be a more business-focused approach into contracts, which is a different area of businesses where it's not just another contract anymore. This has enhanced the manufacturing. Obviously, it's helped in respect of some loan schemes within the business and the government. Skills gap is obviously a very, very major issue within the industry. I think what you've got to bear in mind is basically with the loss of manufacturing within the UK industry, this obviously created an area. And then on top of that, basically then we had the drive for energy, driving down the cost and optimising buildings. This then effectively caused a great big gap on the type of people that we need and the type of people to be educated and trained. This comes various ways. Comserve have actually got our own training academy that we see that as an opportunity within the business. And also other companies now need to rethink on the way they're actually maintaining and running their buildings, especially in the manufacturing areas where it's fast, it's big, and automation is obviously a key development in all of that process, but you still need the manual understanding and skills requirement for today.
At Comserve we have a training academy. It consists of in-house courses that have been developed to bring awareness and knowledge to our mobile and static technicians who operate and provide the service to our customers. The courses cover everything from understanding building services, mechanical and electrical systems, through to business-focused maintenance, energy management and condition monitoring and surveys. The purpose of the Academy, we've recognised there is a shortage of these type of awareness training courses within the industry itself. And our own organisation recognises that fact. We need to bring skills awareness, enhancing their existing disciplines, whether it be electrical, plumbing, whether it be heating, ventilation and air conditioning, into a level of understanding of why equipment is used, why it is operated in a way to reduce energy consumption and make the buildings, optimise building operation and make them work more efficiently. The UK government play a vital role in reviving UK manufacturing. They are the only people that can offer tax revenue initiatives and also grant schemes for building owner operators and management of portfolios, to carry out investment schemes and projects to install renewable technologies within their buildings, low carbon efficient equipment, and those actually can be purchased from the UK manufacturing base, therefore has an impact on reviving UK manufacturing.
Very important to being green within the manufacturing sector. One is because obviously running your building development at optimum cost, and at the same time is what you must remember is once you've started it, it's a continuous improvement. It will never end, you know. So it's all about achieving to the next level, and that includes basically your skill, your labour, as well as products and equipment that you fit within your plant. There's lots of initiatives within the government now to enable this, such as feed-in tariffs, renewable, micro-generation renewables, which absolutely suits the manufacturing sector.
The green agenda is in two parts. One is the government drivers, which is security of supply and climate change. The second is corporate social responsibility for any organisation to offer a green agenda for their product or for their services. Buildings in the UK contribute to 50% of the CO2 emissions within the UK, 30% of that is from domestic housing, would you believe? Commercial buildings where we operate is a high impact value of CO2 emissions into the UK. Our job is to reduce those CO2 emissions.
In today's environment, every company's got a responsibility to lower the emissions in every way, shape or form. Comserve play a major role with our customers to advise as well as implement overall performance contracts to achieve the overall solutions. From the very outset, as part of our company governance, we will look at existing contracts and advise our customers that we can implement an overall performance criteria to achieve these areas. Also, with new contracts and new contracts that we've won, it's part of our added value to inform them that there should be actually targeting areas there to reduce consumption on every level. The importance of sustainability is to ensure that we have compliance, especially around the area of emissions and obviously utilisation and performance. Comserve actually provide the overall delivery of this by enabling through different types of performance type of contracts, enhancing best practice and working with our customer collaboratively to achieve an overall target and plan.
Sustainability is important for facilities managers because it allows them to operate and optimise their building operations. This reduces bottom line operating costs for their clients and for themselves, and also ensures that they have a green agenda, that they show themselves aware of energy efficiency, environmental impact of what goes on within their properties. A sustainable building is a construction that has a low carbon profile that uses very low consumptions of utilities for its operation and its function. It utilises natural resources, sun, solar power, recycled rainwater, wind energy to enhance its usage of power within the building, reducing overall reliance on energy use from the national grid, from coal-fired power stations, from nuclear, etc. And Comserve are in the position of offering advice and services to our clients in order to reduce their carbon profile on their day-to-day operations of their building.
Comserve are very passionate at what they do within the business. We address the areas of themes in respect of the low carbon. It's our drive to develop with our customers, develop with our suppliers collaboratively to achieve target savings, whatever level. It could be intelligent, it could be manual, but it's certainly part of the overall performance of Comserve.